How to reactivate your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can reactivate your Facebook account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to reactivate our Facebook account, what you have to do is to just go ahead and launch Facebook. Let's say you tried to delete your account before, you had set it for deletion or deactivation, and now you're changing your mind, you want to reactivate it. Keep in mind that if you set your account for deletion and it has already been 30 days past that time, then you will not be able to reactivate your account no matter what you do. Facebook gives you up to 30 days of time after deleting your account whether or not if you'd like to reactivate it. If you're still within the 30-day framework, then you can go ahead and try to log into your account. It'll ask you if you want to reactivate it. We can just go ahead and do that. But it doesn't matter if you had deactivated it before, because even if you try to deactivate now and you try to log in after a year or so, you can still gain access back into your account. So what you have to do is, after you open your Facebook app, you just have to try to log into that similar account which you had deactivated or deleted before, and just try to log into that specific account by entering email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication turned in, just go ahead and do that. As in my case, you can see it did not ask me for any type of pop-up because my account was deactivated. Now I have reactivated it. It did not ask me for any type of pop-up, but in your case, if it does ask, then you have to follow the instructions. But it's as simple as that. To actually reactivate your account, you just need to try to log into that similar account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.